This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change a door barrel. It's a straightforward task that can significantly enhance your home's security. Before we begin, make sure you have a Phillips head screwdriver, a tape measure, and your brand new door barrel with its keys. Knowing your barrel type, like a Euro cylinder, is also very helpful for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's talk about getting the right size. This is a critical step. First, open your door and locate the retaining screw on the door's edge, usually aligned with the barrel. Measure from the center of that screw hole to the outside edge of the barrel. Then, measure from the center of the screw hole to the inside edge. These two measurements give you the barrel's total length. Remember, the external side should not stick out more than 5 millimeters for optimal security. With your measurements complete, it's time to remove the old barrel. Start by fully unscrewing the retaining screw on the door's edge. Next, insert your key into the barrel and turn it slightly, about 1/8 of a turn, either clockwise or counterclockwise. This aligns the cam. While gently pulling the key, wiggle the barrel to slide it out. If it's a bit stubborn, slightly loosening the door handle screws can relieve pressure and help it release. Great job, now for the new barrel. Insert it into the door, making sure the central cam is aligned horizontally. Just like removal, you might need to turn the key slightly to help it slide smoothly into position. Once it's seated correctly, reinsert and gently tighten the retaining screw on the door's edge. Don't over-tighten. Finally, test your new lock with all the provided keys to ensure it operates smoothly and securely. You've successfully changed your door barrel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.